How to add voice in Capcut in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Open your Capcut application. Tap on New Project. Select your video and tap Add. It gets video imported in the timeline. To add voice, you have to tap on Add Audio just below the timeline. Tap on it. On the bottom of the screen, you can see various options. To add voice, you have to tap on Record. Just press and hold on to the mic icon to record your voice. Once everything is set, tap Export. Select your resolution and save the video. And that's it. Now you know how to add voice in CapCut for professional sounding videos. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have questions or suggestions for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.